Hey guys, Gilbert here, and I'd like to show you what to do if you need like an extra couple of $100 or whatever. What I do is I go to this site right here called Squishy Cash, and what Squishy Cash is, it's a GPT site, which is a get paid to site. And what they have here, they have offers to do, surveys, and a couple of other things. But I mainly focus on the offers and the surveys. And the good thing about this site is they have a few like free surveys to do, so it's good. You know what I mean? Versus doing an offer where you gotta pay for a trial, and then like because you're doing so much stuff, you forget on the seventh day to like contact the company. You know what I mean? And then like next you know you get charged like 30 something bucks out of your account. You can do it, but the best way to stay on top of that, what I found was to leave sticky notes like on my computer screen at the top or like on my refrigerator, so I would know on that seventh day to call them or email them to get that little trial canceled. So you just gotta stay on top of that. So I just come here and do offers or whatever. You know what I mean? Uh, and I give referrals from here. That's a good thing. Like just if you got friends or whatever, you can shop the referrals to them, or do it on Facebook. You know what I mean? Or on Twitter, Instagram, a lot of places. And maybe some people will help. Come to you and sign up under you. So it's pretty good because that way you'll get extra. Like this is free cash without doing a whole lot of other stuff. Because I know, like in my CPA business, you have to pay for a tracker, you have to test, and like so a lot of people don't have like an extra 30 to 40 bucks a day to test our offers or whatever. So this is a free way to do it. Like I use these systems to fund my other business. So you just come here, do some offers. They have a lot. You know what I mean? And I found this site to be really helpful. Another site that I use to help out too is Points to Shop. And what it is, it's another GPT site, like the other one. But you get referrals here, and the referrals are like $1.50 a piece. So you can shop your link around from this site right here and get people to sign up as well too. And I like to do this because a lot of times, like when you're in the crunch, like you gotta figure out how to get the money from someplace. And just so happens, thank God they have these sites online. You just gotta just have a goal in your mind of how much money you want to make from the site and then go after it. Because I know a lot of times like you say you want to make some money, but then you start doing the offers or surveys and then you stop. But when you have a set number that you want to reach written down or in your head, it becomes a whole lot easier to get to that point. So that's what I do to make extra money online. So like it's just a good thing. You know what I mean? That to be able to do that. you know. Because like even if you like doing offers or whatever, sometimes like people that you know or whatever, sometimes like they won't help you like do anything. You gotta do a lot. Basically you gotta do everything yourself. It's so funny. I was talking to my cousin and I was telling him about how I was making this money online. And he seemed like he was baffled. And he called me back on it, but I'm like, dude, I tried to tell you about that a while ago. And you didn't want to help me out. You didn't want to sign anything, fill out any, none of that. You know what I'm saying? And now you see I'm making this money. Now you're intrigued. I told you a while ago, man. People just don't listen. So like a lot of like people around you, like don't pay attention to nothing anyone says. If you have a certain thing set in your mind in your head, what you want to do, you got to go ahead and do it. Don't worry about anybody else because they'll tear your house down before you even build it. So my name's Gilbert, and I just want to show stuff to people to help them out, and this is a free way to get money online. So if you want to start doing this, you can click the link in the description, and it'll take you to a place where you can sign up. So thanks for checking out my video. Peace.